rival teams. The visitors are Zebra Space Pirates, and man, have they been heroic. They're coming into tonight's game with a 3-game win streak. However, if there's any team performing better right now, it's tonight's opponent. The league-leading talent Forshine Sparkers are the hosts tonight in their loud and passionate arena. Buckle up, everyone, because this is gonna be a ride to remember.
I'd rather eat Phazon.
Good evening, everybody. It is Monday night, my friends, and I'm back. And why is my camera like 9,000 meters away here? Like slid all the way over the other side here. It's a little bit better. Anyway, my friends, welcome on in, everybody. Welcome. I hope everyone's had a good weekend so far, or had a good weekend altogether, I guess. And I hope you're all doing well, are healthy and happy and all of those things. The week of The week of development continues here. Is where else it does is chunk. Oh, that is the wrong base. Wait a minute. That is why it doesn't fit. There's the wrong one. Okay. Yeah. URL encoder. Body and type safe. Okay. So, here we go. That's why it didn't make any sense to me. I'm like looking at it like, I don't remember this having all these parameters. That makes sense. So yeah, we're picking up pretty much where I left off. Yesterday, I am gonna do basically for encoding, and I'm gonna do the decoding on the other side of the fence. But I'm also going to add a column here for description. So I'm going to go first things first. Let's run roll. Exception. Copy, create. I have this working though at some point. Please rollback count 1. I did have this working before. It was base prop. I have this pointing at the local copy, right? So I have that pointing at the local copy, so why is this net start to database may be already in use. Oh, because it's got the lock file there. Oh, the server started. Oh, okay. I didn't realize the server was still running. That'd be the problem. That would be the problem. I didn't realize that was still running. Yeah, we'll drop. Let's see if this rollback actually works. This will be a good way to test the rollback. It worked. It's successful. Did it actually roll back? May have only rolled back. Hey Mark. I am coding a streamer bots alert mechanism majigger. Essentially it'll connect to, there's plenty of them out there, but it'll connect to Twitch and YouTube and show alerts on OBS on the stream and do chat and commands and all that stuff. Just decided to make one from scratch just for the fun of it, but I am going to put it out there for people to use it if they want to. Mostly I want to use it for myself. So rolling back 5 31 830 that, yeah, I need to roll back. Well, we'll roll back here, but I'll get it. Hey, Justy, welcome. 45. Okay, that one. Okay, now roll back. Whoops. I should have said roll back 2 because there's 2 change sets in this migration here. How are things here? So far so good. I'm working on uploads. Actually, I have the uploads working for the most part. I just don't have the I don't have it displaying on the page correctly. So like what I'm doing now is we have like the basic alert, and I got the basic alert to work in OBS finally after a lot of security stuff. And then for an alert you can have like sound or an image, and now I'm working on the being able to connect the sound or an image to the alert. So and I'm doing it like I'm gonna have a basically an entire section with just your sounds and images, and then you can just kind of select which one you want, which is kind of I think that's what Botrix does too and stuff. And I think Stream Elements does it as well, where you just kind of say I want this sound, and then it kind of pops up a window and it's like, well, here's the list of sounds you've uploaded, which one do you want? That's kind of doing the same thing. It's a little bit easier to kind of manage it that way. Okay, so these rollbacks work. So now I can add in the char 1,000, I guess, and nullable. Okay. So then that'll roll forward again once we start the server back up. In the meantime, I need to add it to this guy. And setters on that guy. All right. have that. We can add description to the columns here. And then I need to add to row mapper. Good. Okay. Well, that's good too. All right, so that's mapped in there. I've got the base 64 encoding for content now, but I also need to do description here. Question mark there. And then I need to set correct. That is correct. All right. So that looks right. That should work okay. This should work okay. That row mapper. Okay, so let's be should be right now. Only thing is I need a way to get the string content, which I have, right? Content. Good. Okay, so I want to do this is change a little bit. Turn base for get URL decoder. Huh. Nothing comes out as a string, huh? Code content. And then I guess I can use utils. Oh, it's not. Alright. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Else was it? Use string byte. Oh, okay. So they are like just use new string, huh? Alright, that's fine. New string. Is there a variant of this that takes a out parse is unspecified? I think there's another. I think you can take standard parse that's UTF, right? Yeah, to make sure it. I mean, it should be UTF-8 anyway, but when we go onto Windows and stuff, everything just goes out the window. All right. We've got that. That should now eventually actually work and actually show the images. I need to add the description to this page. So, yeah, here's what we'll do. Say, if asset file name no, asset group else. Alright, that actually this should really no, I guess that'll be see how that works. I still have to make it. I still have to make everything look halfway decent. But right now, we're just trying to get working, basics working. And I gotta do the handles save. Handling right now. So when handle save is called, wait a minute. Let me look at the this page. Common field, right, is where I've saved image. Macros here. Quick handler. Type button. Okay. So one click, save click handler. All right, so that is not this page, but the modal. widget here. Okay. So upload. All right, yeah, this is correct with the upload. But the upload needs to refresh this page. It needs to come back to this page. Assets, widgets. Oh, but it's doing a postback, so it's not actually going to work. Because it's going to post back and it's going to refresh the entire page. So I need to so instead of doing submit there, so we do what? Paycheck post. Gotta be inside the form. So if that's wrapper. Okay. And oh, crap, it's not gonna work. No. No, okay, here's what we have to do. Whole page has a number on it. Div ID. That wrapper. Yeah, that'll work, I think. So this and that, and then this container margin up to there. Button and do check post. This take action off this form, and I guess the method too doesn't matter. And that's inside the form, so it knows to post this form. And then target, right? That how I do out of bounds targeting here. Eject target. Specifies the target element. Yes. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. Eject target is asset wrapper div, and it'll automatically do enter H. I better do it. Flop. Oh, outer H. Yeah, outer H. Okay. Save that. And then in the controller, I have to return this page. Where's my that controller somewhere? Oh, there it is. Asset widget. Couldn't remember what I called it. Upload. Yeah. So you'll return instead of returning a response. Return string and this new asset ID in there. The model add attribute. New the ID. There we go. And that's good. And I also need call I call view with type. I don't have the type in the asset model to do that. But I do have it on the page. All right. That's true. Wait a minute. Have it on the page. Yeah, I have to search. Okay. So then what I'll do, put type hidden name type value search type. Right. Save that, and then in the model here, private string search for bars go. All right. And then that will capture type that we're on, which then I can pass on by saying return view. Oh, there it is. Request model, asset model. Okay. And then that should, and then HTML should replace the entire tag. With this this page coming back down. So every time you upload, it's going to put you back on page 1, but I think that's fine. In fact, that's probably desirable because the other thing I didn't do, I should probably sort. Oh, I do. I order by updated. Okay. Yeah, that's good because then, so it's good that it's putting you back on page 1 because then it's, you'll see exactly what you just uploaded. It'll be at the top of the, so, because presumably what you just uploaded is the thing you want to select and use. So, oh, that's the other thing. I don't have a selection thing on here. Probably on S page, right? So let's see. Field outer HTML. It's really going to be like, a radio button too, because I only want just one item. That's the description, and then one of these. I need to have to be all 4 on this, I guess. And then last 2. I want a radio button. They have, I wonder if Bootstrap has like yeah. Alright, what is that? This class form check. class form check input. No label text. I can just call, so I can just do input class form check. Create button-like checkboxes and radio buttons using button styles rather than form check label on the label. I mean, that's kind of cool, but anyway, how does it know? Or, oh, name. That's how. Okay. Kind of like this one. What is it? Check. Options outlined. Careful, put autocomplete off too on it. Yeah. Work. All right. Oh, check. Type reading. Yeah, selected asset. Value asset ID is actually correct. Complete off. And then did they put class on this input? Yeah, button. Okay, and then label class. Okay. They also put ones, so I guess the ID would be select asset and then first line E. Wait, ID is not what I. Oh no, it is. It is. Yeah, in that table it is. Okay. So this ID and label. quite what I'm looking for, but it's low. What is it? Button. Button outline fast. Okay. Outline success, and then mp dot awesome. And what do I think it's what's the check mark? Okay, check. FA solid, FA check. Okay. And a 2x. That one. Not too small. Put anything else on there, right? No. Okay. I will need to grab the IDs. The name is selected asset, so that'll be the same for all of them. So they should group together and only allow you to select one. And then I can just go in JavaScript and find the selected one and grab the value. Would be good. Be good there. Okay, so where am I going to put this? So this would be in the JavaScript here. I need to get to. I think I can do it. So save image. The image select modal type radio check. Well, alert image, what? Alert image, attribute source, selected image, alert image URL. It's actually got, Copilot actually got most of this. It's just not doing it quite the way I want it to, but it's got like some interesting things here. Goes out of there. And we'll say input name is what? Value. Okay. And then, right, I just have to put this to console log. Here. I just, sometimes it tickles me that I just like, I'm like, I'm just going to put console log here, and Component's like, oh, I got you. Just for the moment, we'll do that. And then I guess I can just start typing here and Compile will just figure it out, right? Oh, don't, not even. Cool. I mean, that's, it also really shines when like you're doing something somewhat repetitive where you have to, you're going to copy paste something and then you're going to change the wording around, and it's like, hey, I'll do that for you. Hit tab. So that's good. Yeah, we'll just log it for the moment. Just log it for the moment, and then we'll hide the modal. Because I'm going to take this. If I've got the correct IDs, then all I got to do is put it onto the form on the settings page. But I don't have a form field there yet, and I just want to really just test this before I get too far ahead of myself. So let's see what we've got so far. We had it, stuff was showing up, which was good. It just wasn't, still need to work on the aesthetics. I gotta work on it actually showing image, I think is what I just fixed here with the basic core encoding. Okay, and what we're at here. So select image, no files uploaded, right? There's a description now. This, and upload. That's what happened there. Error code 400 from assets up. So did not post back stuff here. Payload. Asset object file. Description my logo. Type image. Hey, what happened? We got a stack tree. No such field. Field object file isn't any number. The HTMX didn't post it back with the encoding, the multi-part encoding. How does it do that? There is a way to do it, if I remember. Air filters, pulling. I forgot to put an HX trigger on that thing too. Well, I can fix that in it. I'm trying to find parameters. Arming. Target. Trigger. So if requests are triggered by a natural event of an element. Everything else is triggered by the TMX post multi part. Here we go. File upload. Oh, there's an HX encoding. That's what it is. Okay. Oh. Doing multi-part formed. Okay. So that's here. Lines here. See what I'm doing. This has to be check trigger. Okay. And actually, I could probably put this at form level. I don't know if it'll, well, let's try. We'll see if it reads it from the form level. I might have to put it down here. We'll see. This is already reading the form for other, so it knows what to submit. Code 500 now. All right. Here. That's the page. Following has evaluated to null or missed. That's it. Oh, we're getting further here. Is there a model object on there that I'm putting on there? Where's my controller? Here it is. This one. Returning view. New asset ID there. Actually don't even need to put new asset ID on there. But I'll put it there anyway. Okay. Asset list is okay. Okay. So it's bring back a list of assets, which is actually added, right? Yeah, I've got get description. Means it's possibly not coming back from the database. You know what? We can check that. See if it's actually set for that. Now the description didn't make it to the database because I forgot to do something. Let's see, upload. Create asset model. Aha. That's why. I don't have it in the model. Bring in. Okay, there we go. That will set it now. And now it'll put that. But it is optional, so I should also handle the case when it's null. So here, I'm going to say if. So really I should just do asset description. Like that. And then show that, otherwise show the file. Alright. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right. Image. It's loaded. And it's showing the file name because I didn't actually put the description in there, but that kind of stuff is not blank. Or error invalid URL. Why is that? Why is that? Headers. Huh. These are always a little bit tricky. What I do. Wonder if, oh, I bet that, remarker is trying to do something with it. Probably sanitizing it, maybe. Let me see. How do I tell it to? Wait, it has to say just don't code. It was like no 8 maybe. Yeah, I think it's no. I wonder if that's causing the problem. We'll do no escape. Happens here. Wait, I'm page. No, still not. Still not happy. Valid URL. Oh. There's no escape. Whoops. Let's try putting it in the correct spot. Oh. All right. Okay, that's a bit weird. I think we're still getting the invalid URL. We're also... What the hell? Oh, it's got double quotes in it? How is that happening when I said do URLs safe? I guess I could put... I wonder if that would work. Can I put like... single quotes? Around it? Is that what it really needs, I guess? Is the question here. This? Okay. No. Definitely not that. It's definitely still saying invalid URL. Yeah. Right. Data colon media type semicolon basic or comma data. Okay. I've done that correct. Okay. Those characters, new line characters, other non-printing characters. Those characters must be URL encoded. Right. I'm doing that. Let's see. Oh, hi DJ, welcome. Let's see. So rank coded. Boy. Huh. All right, so how have I screwed this up is the real question here. It's still, so it's think here. Oh, you know what? let's just do. Good. Display and image and image HTML tag using the it's in case you already have the data URL, you can use it directly in source. Work. When I use the code, the image doesn't work. What have I done wrong in the Oh, wait. Base 64, get encoder, encode to string. Wait, where does that come from? I didn't see an encode to. Maybe there is an encode to string there. Oh, wait, did I? Did I reverse this again? I reversed it, didn't I? I reversed it. That's the problem. Here. Good contents there. So then I encoded it. I don't think I need to decode it at all. So, where am I at? Doing that. Asset count by type. List, and then right in this here. Right, I don't actually need to do anything because it's already encoded. I've never decoded it. So I should just have to do string content, right? Because technically, I guess I should put it in the database. Yeah, I mean, it can be encoded in a database too, I guess. Let me just try this, because it's already encoded when I put it in the database, so when I pull it back out, it should still be coded, I would think. If not, I'll have to fix that. So stop this here and clean build. And up over to here. Getting the error, but what's going on here? But it's actually contained in the thing here, so that's correct. That's right. Let me just try encoding it. Doesn't make sense to me right now, but let's just try it. Rail encoder. Code string, actually. I don't need this. Like I said, it should already be encoded, and it looks like it is, but maybe I need to stop encoding it when I put it into the database and just code it when it comes back out. May very well be the case. This is not the first time I've done this, but it's also, I always messed up. It always tricks me out as to what works and what doesn't. So what do we? Really wrong now. All right, so works anyway. Establish Okay. Figure that out. If I do this, yeah, figure it out. I want to stop encoding it when I put it into the database. Just put it in as it is. I can find that. And here we go. That said, I wonder if I... Because usually what happens is you decode it right before you put it in the database. I wonder if that... I wonder if I need to do that. But we'll hold on to that thought for a moment. I know there's a decode step in there somewhere, but I'm trying to think of... if I decode it before I put it into the database and then encode it when it comes back out. Or what we do here. I don't think it's encoded by default through the multi-part file. But, you know, it could be. Alright, we have that. I guess it could be like a UTF-8 thing too. I don't know. This is always going to be something that I'm going to have to check on a lot of different places. This and logo upload. Getting invalid URL again. Here. It doesn't have the like PNG header or anything either. I bet I do have to do it on the way in. Here, for the folder. This thing. Let's see if that is. I'm not sure here, but we'll see. If that is correct. Like I said, this always trips me up. Even though it's probably the simplest thing in the world, it's still like, you know, once you get an uploader working, you just use it everywhere and you don't worry about it. You know what I mean? So it's like, whenever I do it, I always have to jump back in my brain and try to figure out how the hell I've done it in the past. Hey, Verona, welcome. Happy Monday to you as well. All right. So, oh, you know what? Let's that. Go. And upload. Uh-oh. Happened here? What is going on? Legal base before character. Okay. We're on to something here. Like you've lost weight. No, I'm trying to lose weight. I can't say that I've lost that much, but I am trying to. I'm under doctor's orders to lose at least 10% of my current weight. But preferably a lot more than that. So, face looks thinner. That's good. I mean, that means I might be doing something halfway right. I don't know. I've also, interestingly enough, now that I'm actually sleeping at night, because I finally got my CPAP machine. I've lost some weight just from that. Like just from sleeping at night. Like I just dropped a couple pounds just from that. So hopefully all this will add up to something good. We'll see. I got a long way to go though. I want to lose like over 100 pounds. Which I've done 80 before in the past, but this time around it's been much more difficult. Much more difficult. Still having a problem here? Oh, I didn't. Problem. I'm not looking for. I am looking to. No argument. You get a lifetime free membership on your Shape Helper app. Hey, that's great. Yeah, I just need to. I had mentioned months and months ago that I want to get a treadmill, and I still do. It's just I've been kind of pushing it off while I see what's going on with everything, and getting closer and closer to the point where I absolutely positively need a treadmill. I mean, I was going to pull the trigger on it like last week, and then I realized like the chair that I'm sitting in is slowly deteriorating. This was a great like $100 Amazon chair, but 5 years later it's all starting to fall apart. And it's like I can't lean back in it like I want to. I have a pillow behind me and all that stuff, so I just went and made a big purchase on that. I'm getting a steel case chair. I'm tired of going through. I've gone through so many different chairs, and it's like, you know what? I'm just gonna pay for the top dollar ones. Just see if I can get something halfway decent. And I was looking at the Herman Miller stuff, and then I looked at the steel case stuff, and it's significantly cheaper than the Herman Miller stuff. And it looks like it'll maybe hopefully work, so we'll see. I have a work with a dude who has a standing desk with a treadmill on it, and he does 8 hours of cardio a day. Yeah, so this is a standing desk that I'm at. Like it moves up and down. And I had thought, I was like, oh, maybe I'll get one of those treadmills as well that goes under the desk. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like they make one for over 350 pounds. Like, in other words, I need like technically I'm hovering just above 350 weight wise, but it's everything's like 300 and all that stuff, and so I need like a slightly beefier one. There's one that I'm looking at that's 400, but it's a full-fledged treadmill. So I'm like, you know. You wanted a Peloton until you realize they specifically say don't get on that thing with my weight. Yeah, exactly. It's like I want to work out, but when I try to buy a workout thing, it's like okay, this doesn't support your weight. And especially for treadmills, it's a big deal because you're bouncing up and down on it as you're walking or running. And so it's like, gotta really be careful with it. And the last treadmill I had was like, it went up to 400 pounds. And it was great. It worked well until it kind of started having problems. And then the other one I'm looking at now is not motorized, it's self-propelled, which I think I'll have more luck with. I'm hoping, because motorized one, I like the motorized one because it was like I could set a speed and it would force me to keep up with it. But I also hated it because it was tripping the breaker sometimes, and the platform itself, I was like, the belt would slip occasionally, and I would like kind of lurch forward, almost falling and stuff. I was like, okay, this is not great. This is not a great experience. That's why I'm hoping by having like a self-propelled one that is, like the one I'm looking at specifically, they're like, yeah, this is like, you can put this outside and all that stuff if you really wanted to. Not that I want to, but could. So I'm hoping it'll be, and they say there's no like maintenance. If you don't have to put any new lubricant down on it or anything. And in the rare case that you might have to, it's just like a few ball bearings. So it's not like a huge platform that you have to lubricate or anything. So we'll see. We'll see if I can finally pull the trigger on that and get that in here. And the hardest part is just like, I'm in an older house, and none of the doors are like, the door behind me is wide enough, but the rest of the doors in the house aren't. And so like trying to get things into the house that are wide is just really difficult. Especially really heavy things like a treadmill. So that's been my struggle. Plus when I bought the house, they had just remodeled the kitchen. And at some point, between then and now, refrigerators got wider. Like, it's really hard to find a refrigerator that will actually fit in the space that old refrigerators fit in. And still have all the same, like, bells and whistles, like, hey, you know, I'd like an ice maker, stuff like that. That I had in my old one. You know, I don't want to revert back in time. So that's another thing. You know, I still have to get a replacement refrigerator. I haven't done that in ages either. So it's like, but I have to try to find one that actually fits in that space. And the fun parts of home ownership, right there. This can't be. Oh. Ah. There to code with. I wonder if RL decoder. Maybe that is what I needed to do. Kind of guessing right now. Playing hunt and peck right now with this problem. To figure it out. Just look at hex. I had this working on hex. Just see what I did there and just repeat the same thing I did there. Yeah, I think that's the step here. Let's just see what this is like. File. Nope. Okay. What did I do on hex part? What did I do here? I'm trying to think of what was the thing I was uploading? Emote, right? Where's my emote up? And controller. Have right? I'm pretty sure I've gone through this. Actually with the avatar, right? I don't think I had the emote upload yet, but I did have the avatar upload, didn't I? Or maybe not. Could find load. Yes, I had an upload tab. Oh, what was running that? Backend DAO emote. No, emote's DAO. What did I do here? Approval. Small image URL. Image type. The bean property SQL parameter. So I just put it straight up in there without any encoding or anything. Okay. So when I went to show it on screen, controller, name. Very good. Remote model, multi-part file. Add emote. A prefix. Add emote. Oh, that's right. I copied it to the file system, so I didn't have to do anything weird with it. Right. Okay. I didn't quite run into the same issue where I was putting it into the database. But it wasn't putting it into the database. I'm just putting the location of it in there. Yeah, new error means progress. Yeah. Right? Okay, so that's not... I don't think I need it at all. But I think... He's 3, 4. Let's see. See what Copa. I want to upload image file to a based table and then all data from table date on I'm curious to see what it, because I'm kind of drawing a little bit of a blank here. And I want to see what it spits out at. I've done this, like, what kills me is I've done this so many times and yet I never remember how I've done it. Content field is byte array, is the image data. Create a new asset, you can read the image file as a byte array and set it. Okay. No page, you need to encode the image data as base64 and then use it in the data around the source. Image tag. Already have a content string method as a class that returns the base64 encoded image data. So, I mean, basically it's saying I did everything correctly. Although it's how does this work via to file data and store in database. Oh, you know what? I am I'm taking this for granted, aren't I? Don't I have to read in, because they had a read all byte. Do I have to read all byte on a part? I'll get byte. See, they're saying I just have to say file.byte, which is what I'm doing. See? Yeah, get bytes. Return the contents of the file as an array of bytes. Contents of the file as bytes or an empty byte array. I'm getting bytes back. I've had this exact problem before. I remember I've had this exact problem before, and for some reason, I keep coming back to I need to UTF-8 stuff. This is just the raw bytes. I don't need to do it there. But I think I need to do it over here. Not over here. Over here. Yeah. Doing the constructs a new string by using the encoded byte array and the ISO 8859-1 parset, which is not what I want. Yeah. Okay. So, and new string. Good. Right. Maybe that will fit. Yeah, still not working. Getting invalid URL. That doesn't look like the start of a PNG either. It usually starts with question mark PNG, right? Or something like that. I'm not. I'm not getting the entire thing. So actually, you know what? We can look at based above. Can I don't know how this is working, but do this. Not really not really giving me anything. Doesn't know how to really show that, but where does this? Showing content. These things from there. You know, like the contents of the file as an array of. Input stream. You know what? I'm gonna read in the input. I'm gonna use IO fills that byte array input stream. I'm gonna do this. Buffers input internally, so use buffer input stream, byte array. I'm gonna do that just to see if I'm getting the entire file. I have a feeling I'm missing something here. I remember vaguely that there was I had a problem at one point with an uploader where it was cutting off the beginning of file. And I think I had to do something like, because the convenience method or something wasn't reading the file at the right spot or something. I don't remember exactly how it worked, but I'm gonna try just to eliminate it as a potential problem. Yeah, close that. That. This. Delete what we have there. Start fresh. Hmm. Is it any different what's in here? No. Different either. Okay. That wasn't the smoking gun. Hey, invalid URL. Hmm. Um. Oh. Okay. There's a forward slash instead of a back. What I have here. Yeah, I have a forward. Good try. That's fine. Yeah, before basic for common. I have. I wonder if I'm hitting the override limits. that, I mean, it's possible I'm hitting the URI limit. But how big? This is not really that big. Okay. The thing, yeah. $128 kilobytes. That's pretty big. 128 kilobytes. But not that big. I mean, you can do like 10 megs, right? So I mean, is that really be the issue? Is that it's just too long of a URI or URL? I mean, that just means I don't know. I have a hard time believing that, but that would mean wish you would tell me like what I'm having a problem with. Instead of just saying invalid URL. What problem? What is the problem? No. I mean, worse comes to worse, I don't actually save them in a database. Or I guess I can save them in the database and then put them out to a temporary file. It seemed like a lot of extra work for not a lot of benefit. I mean, I'm running on the person's local machine, so I could just tell me what path to the file and then do that, or I guess I could just copy their file to an uploads directory and then just have that display. Kind of sucks because I would like to have it all combined into the database so they can just back up their database and move it to other systems and everything's there for them. From data URL limit. Size of data URL. Chrome is 2 meg. I'm not getting the so I'm not getting the limitation there, but 2 megs is pretty small limitation. So I guess I'm gonna have to hunt and don't put files in database. Have a just upload them to a uploads directory and then and then just serve them from the uploads directory. Okay. I mean, if that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. I think that's what's gonna have to happen here. And then when people back up their stuff, we'll just have to back up both the database and the file upload area. Alright, well, that's what's gonna have to be, I guess. So I'm not gonna be able to make this work for it, because we are talking like files that are potentially pretty large, not just images, but also sound bites. So alright, just have to rejigger the database and stuff. That's fine. We'll just do that. And then get away from the data URLs and just use regular URL. Because it'll look like a regular URL at that point. Okay. That's what we'll have to do then. But we'll have to do that tomorrow night because get a little bit late and I don't wanna I don't want to tackle that re-architecture right now, particularly. But we'll come back to this again tomorrow, my friends, as we do. And yeah, we'll just have to do that. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll just have to have an uploads folder. I'll wire that up. Excuse me. Just wire that up, and I mean, I've already done that before in Hex, so I can just copy my own notes. And then the URLs won't be anything crazy, so. Alright, yep, that'll be that then, I guess, for tonight, my friends. I'll be back tomorrow night for some more coding. And we'll do the refactoring that we need for handling the upload stuff, as we do. So let's see if there is anybody alive right now that I can send you to? Nope. Nope, there is not. Alright. Well, I'll just let you guys disperse on your own. And I'll say thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope everyone has an excellent morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on what it is for you. And hope to see you back here again in the future for some more stuff, whatever happens to suit your fancy. Until then, bye.
Same old story. Boy finds girl, boy loses girl, girl finds boy. Boy forgets girl, boy remembers girl. And girl dies in a tragic blimp accident over the Orange Bowl on New Year's Day.
Good year.
No, the worst.